can develop some creative thinking skills for this class in order to complete your first assignment, which is the identity grid. You'll be creating an identity list as well as an identity web today in this tutorial. So let's get started. This is a chance to share who you are. I feel it's important to know how others view themselves so we can develop empathy for each other regardless of our beliefs, cultures, backgrounds, etc. So what is your identity? You did an activity at the start of this school year in your advisory class that I actually pulled this from, so it may look familiar. There are just some examples of what identity is in the world. What are your interests? What makes you uniquely you? So think about that for a minute as you're looking at this slide. Using slide number 10, as well as the things that are on the next slide as well, I would like you to take 10 minutes to write an identity list. Write down as much as you can. You'll need at least 20 for your grid, so try to come up with 25 or more of them for this list. You'll have some time. So now that you'll have 10 minutes to write your identity list. Get a pencil and paper, or if you already have your class sketchbook, excellent. This is a great use for it. This video should be paused now to complete this activity. So we'll see you soon. All right, so you're coming back from writing your identity list now. I would like you to choose one thing that you're comfortable sharing with the class about yourself. I will once again pause the video so that everyone can get a chance to share. Next, you'll complete your identity map. You can use the back of the paper you use for this list, or you can draw it in your sketchbook, your choice. What is most important to share? So that's what we're figuring out from here. You've got this big list. Well, let's look at how you can pick out things to share. This is where you'll create the hierarchy of your identity grid. You'll put your name in the center of the page, then write the identities closer to your name that are most important to you, and then a little farther out as needed. Here is my example. Yours does not have to be decorative. It can be simple writing like the last identity web was. I put my name in the middle, then put the most important things toward the center and less in importance radiating outward. Once you've completed both of these activities, you're ready to move on to the identity grid. You've got enough ideas generated to hopefully get started. Be sure to add photos of both of these to your process journal. And where you add your photos is slide number 5.